way down there. You can see one right after the other. And then there's this bad boy. Good Lord. This is right.
Let's hustle.
And get the
Look at it.
In Reading.
Hello, my home. Thank God I'm up on a hill.
John parking.
I get speed now, boy.
Mom, I can barely see the poles.
Right here off of Parsons and Bocelli. This little thing happening. Oh shit! This is look, the sidewalk's right there. It's up here, and this doesn't happen. That doesn't. It's just that's weird. It happened over there next to I forget what it was, Ace Hardware, El Reno Lane. We got people still coming this way. We got one stuck in the road over there. But holy shit! Look at that. American Self and Storage. Wow. Wow.
Al éxito de Valencia.
I també mentalitats aquesta nova realitat. Però tot